Come on, Tommy, let's go shopping. Yay! I love the supermarket.
Mom, can we buy chocolate cereal?
Maybe. First, we need vegetables.
Wow, there's money inside. And a family picture, too.
Oh no! Where is it? My wallet! My wallet!
I think this is his wallet. He looks really worried.
Sir! Wait! I found something! Is this your wallet?
Oh my goodness! Yes! Everything is still inside. Thank you so much, young man. These are my grandchildren. They look very happy. Here, this is for you.
Chocolate? Thank you.
I'm proud of you, Tommy.
I just wanted to help. This is the best chocolate ever.
Good actions bring good feelings.
A small act of honesty can change someone's day. Always choose kindness.